Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we are going to briefly be going over the parts in our television, what those parts are, what they do in our television, and how to recognize them. So let's get started. The main board acts as the main control or the brain of the television. It also accepts any inputs from external devices, as well as orchestrating what boards and what parts should be doing what at what time in our television. We can recognize the main board by the inputs that are soldered onto it. The HDMI input, USB input, coax input, and component input. It is important to note that some brands of Samsung TVs have an external input device such as a One Connect box. So to recognize these main boards, we can look for the plug that plugs into the One Connect box. The power supply in our television takes the raw voltage from the wall, transforms that into a usable voltage by the various components in our TV. It then also helps to distribute that power to the other various components in the television to make sure that everything is powered and firing correctly. We can recognize the power supply by the large battery-shaped capacitors, as well as small rectangular MOSFETs that are usually attached to the face of the board. The power supply will also, in most cases, have the plug for the wall socket. So the power cord runs from the wall socket to the television and it plugs directly into the power supply board. There are some brands of televisions that use an external power supply or an AC adapter that is actually integrated onto the wall cord, so you won't have a dedicated power supply board in your unit. The timing controller, or T-Con board in our set, works alongside the main board to tell which pixel to fire at what time and what intensity, so that we see a nice, crisp, clear image on our TV screen. We can recognize the T-Con board by its small, rectangular size, as well as its location, usually at the bottom of the chassis of the television. We can also recognize it by the 4 ribbon cables, 2 ribbon cables that are coming from the main board to the T-Con board, and then 2 that run from the T-Con board inside the chassis to the panel where the backlights are mounted. The LED driver board in your television is a medium to small sized rectangular board that controls the backlights behind the panel. This board will control the stability as well as the intensity of the backlights and can be recognized by the multiple small flat ribbon cable connections that are on the board. These are usually much more numerous than the ribbon cables that are on the T-Con board, as well as much smaller. It is important to note here that in a lot of televisions, the LED driver board will be integrated onto the power supply, so your television might not have a dedicated standalone LED driver board. The Wi-Fi board in our television is what allows it to send and receive signals from the Wi-Fi router. This will effectively allow our smart TVs to connect to the internet. This board can be recognized by its very small rectangular size and the very thin gold-tipped antenna wires that are connected to the front of it. It is important to note that in some situations, the Wi-Fi board will be in the same housing as the actual physical power button or the IR sensor, where the standby light is at the very bottom of the television. And in other situations, this board can be integrated onto the main board. That's going to do it for today's video. If you have any question about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. That's info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.